shumba dzinokendenga kuti wai dziri kufungei. Wai dzikaenda dzicomplaina musango kuti kwatidi vanhu vanongoti usiku. Do you think the lions do care? A lion will tell you, go hang yourself. Kana tane nzara tongo ya tokudya. Ntona. I believe, guys, any person in the world, ana anotomuda. Right now, any person, it doesn't matter you want to kill yourself tomorrow. There is a guy right now who can swap your life for his. Right now, not one. In the world, I think there's 1,000 people right now who wish they can be you right now. More than 1,000 people who wish. It doesn't matter. You might have AIDS, you might have what. There is 1,000 or more people. Kumunapi wa cancer nas diagnosis yakanzi 2 weeks to live. AIDS yako yoyo nemaronda yako yoyo anoti ndipe yangu AIDS yake uyu. Do you get me? It doesn't matter. Even white accident wagurika makumbo ese kuno munhu anongoda kufema kwako ari pakoma arikuda ngoti amuke akwanisa kutaura nevana akati vana vangu I love you. Why do you go and hang yourself? I know it's easier said than done, but there's certain things that we should just stop worrying about. The day you're gonna worry about, oh, shangu yangu yakabenda, kuno munhu asina boots, asina gumbo, you're to complain of shangu zvako. Kuno munhu asina gumbo. Hey, mazina anga anakenzana. Kuno munhu arikutotsvaka mazino arikutodatiswa madenja. You're complain ako uchitori nawo mazino acho. Oh my god, ndebvu dzangu dzachena. Kuno mwana asitomborina chirebvu chacho kuti aise ndebvu. Chakarohwa nepfuti chikaenda chikabha hatorina chirebvu. Angori neupper lip kwakaisirwa. Iwo kuti chirebvu changu chakadhoita senge kona yesaga. J, hanzi no J, hanzi JL, nobody wishes to be me. Kana uri J kuno wakadzi vandakanzwa vanotoda kuti tall guy and confident anochena. J, stop lying. Everyone wants to be J. Diani, tell me. I'm not a Zamu person yet. I'm not a Zamu person. Anzira kareba rotoda geza nema gat. Hey. But don't guys, hakuna chinonzi kunaka. If you meet a guy who's still unake tell him ndakaona imwe live yomumpana anoita singanopenga nonzi handle yon. Akati anza hakuna theory yo. Because ye munhu aroti hanakika. Anogona kupa umwe munhu wepa next door. Do you know? A lot of men right now, a lot of relationships right now. Samuri mimi. Your guy behind every beautiful person or beautiful husband. Someone is fed up now. It doesn't matter. Your neighbor is fed up. Some of you could actually swap right now. Kungoshaya muna where right now you want someone's neighbor's wife and it. The same neighbor autotoda mukadzi wako. Actually chiva mukadzi wako. Sometimes akatorara chikwira mukadzi wako in his mind. Iwo chirara chikwira mukadzi wako. Zvokuti dena pangoita kana kuita coincidence. Pangoita mistake ukakarwa ngoenda kurume uyu. Waraska pamba pako iye akarasika. Vanotopfidzana akadonakirwa kuti mukatochinjana vakadzi sokutamba sokuseka. What am I trying to say? No, that it's all in your mind. Because you can't tell me kuti wakagara nemunhu 21 years ozomunza kuti wanekadora. 21 years unekadora ikako wakuzotuka munhu kuti haiwa papana unekadora. Nokuti makurambana. Wakaita 21. You're very stupid. Because kana wakadara nekadora 21 years wozokaramba nhasi. You're very stupid. It's all here. Pawaidana naye zvaikuspark handiti. Nhasi noti makuramba nakuona kadora kake. Plus unoshora munhu, hauna kudzidza. Shamari, don't say your wife hauna kudzidza because choice yake ka dena akakadzidza asina kupika iwo. Saka unofanirwa kudomutenda kuti haana kudzidza because akakuda. Because maybe kana akakadzidza angasingazokudiwi iwewe. And don't say you are fat to your wife. Your wife is fat, right? If she was slimmer, maybe she would have gone for someone else. Wakambozvifunga izvozvo. Unekadora. Iye munhu waruta nekadora. Kana anga ane zimukwimba rakadai so. Vamwe vakatotorwa achitoita mapono kuAmerica. Usina murume izvezvo. Saka guys, it's all here. So there is nothing, oh, this is so sweet. It's different. It's different, okay? It's like comparing sugar nyama yehuku nechingwa. Kumuna anoda breakfast nyama yehuku iite. Ini ukanditi yezvo right now mangwana makuseni ndidye nyama yehuku. I don't wanna eat nyama yehuku makuseni. Ndoda chingwa chine majarini, chine dovi. Anditi. Pani nyama yehuku ndoida manheru. Saka iwo usati kana uri nyama yehuku woshora woti why am I not sweet? You're not sweet. Une munakiro wako wewe. Une munakiro wako wewe. Umwe nemwe chine munakiro wako. Sugar inotapira but ukaisa muziso inotoshora. Sugar inotapira parurimi anditi. Chiisa muziso uchiona kuti inochema musodzi inonaka here. Chema kamusodzi inonaka waisa sugar musodzi rinovharika here ukatoita bofu. Saka iwe ngoza chimwe nechimwe chine place yacho. Ndona. Bvudzi iri riri raiti rakamera pandebvu. Rikatanga kumera mukati mezisomo. Munotiza mese ndaroyewa ndachidhoma here. Saka chimwe nechimwe chinongofarira ndipo lip balm ndizorewo. My lips are going for a garage soft. But this is true, guys. There is nothing chinonzi kunaka. Guys, stop it. Don't even think about it. If you want to believe it, believe it. But I'm telling you right now, as a psychologist, there is nothing. It's all here. Hakuna kunaka kwemhiripiri kuvava. Indians vanoti vakadya food inovava. Vanoti wow. Isusu kumba kwedu toshandisa food inovava kuti mwana arege kumwa zamu. So already vana vedu votokura vachingoti mhiripiri yakaipa. We are conditioned by how we grow. Our parents have conditioned us. MuNigeria chana chine 2 years, 1 year chisa chaita 1 year chekudya mhiripiri. Chimwana. Saka kuNigeria hakuna zvazvokuti muisira mhiripiri pazamu agorega kumwa. No, not Nigerian kids. Vanodorimwa kuti Daddy, can you put some more chili there, please? What am I trying to say? We were conditioned. You'll find that vanoda magaro ivava vangokurawo nevabereki vane magaro. Saka maybe kumusha mai vangu namai vangu she's curvy and I just like because I love my mom. I just tend to go for curvy people because they're curvy because my mom was curvy. If your dad was going for skinny people and your family is skinny and you just like skinny people, izvozvo zvinongoenda ungoona mwana wachingo zvafanira kuti inini mazamu. Guys, I don't want to lie to you. When I came to the Europe, ndopandikatozoziva kuti mazamu anofanirwa kukura. Inini ndiri mudiki tozamu kadiki kanongokwana murwo kadiki kazamu kakangudai. That was me. Ndaingoda kazamu and I still do. Ndazoona kuno Jordan achino balloon kude okunganidzwa panapoita senge machubu panapa. Oh, really? I didn't know that. I didn't know. It's a condition. But the kids that are growing up here, vana vedu vari kukurira muno, they actually believe the mazamu because they see Mama magazines. Right now, a lot of people here think a skinny girl standing like this, near Miss World, the most beautiful people on earth are anything less than 8 going down. That's what they think. But no, I will tell you something. For me, the most beautiful person to me might not be that. Might not be that. And that's why when you want tennis, when one want Serena Williams, they see, if you watch tennis, they like her body. They just like Serena Williams' body. Exactly. Immediately, Maria Sharapova, my page 3 person, every Sun newspaper, page 3, they put a woman, this. You rarely see a black woman there. So does it mean that only white people are beautiful? No. We are being conditioned. Long time when I was at school, we never used to check the body because we were clean in our brain. Tango damskana face yakanaka. Baskana was not try to my door frame. Boarding school when we were young, my form 1, we just used to look at the face. What comes gonna face yakanaka? Ooh, kudadagwa. Face that smile. Oh my God. We never even thought about the body. Times when I'm disco, Saturday, don't go now, man, got you better, chisa moko. Because you are innocent, I'm to form 2, form 3, doesn't my walk, one go, my dara, mamanga, Wondanga, my form 4, till my form 4, till my form, Baganga, repeat, do I tell one of those, Tona Makundo, Makandom, After every disco tournament, zviko izvi zvii taiziva makondo but tivanga chimadii izvo vaitokwirana isi vasingatombozivi kuti kana mapinda murima next but try now vana vedu vari kuma9-10 years, some of them they do abortion without even knowing, because this country they allow it. If you have children here and you're not free with them, there are people out there who are teaching your children. Everyone, no, don't watch this channel. Please, go to bed. That same movie you're telling them not to watch, right? In class, when my son first came here, they didn't ask that this 3 videos as a teacher, and they were teaching the kids here in the UK. When my son was 12, I think, they were teaching them, this is what happens during sex. This is what happens. You need to know that this is... And actually, we didn't know that. Ndakadzidza nehama yako ipi? Ya, ndi Freeman Marambero. Because ndakadzidza wandoziva ainzi Freeman Maramba. Aiva that prefect. Hanzi Hondu CCC mna makore mana 44. Ndakutosta 45. Ndatokura man. Asikuona tuma wrinkles twakuya tuma wrinkles. Ndakura manje. Very soon ndangorwa masuit, no more caps, ndangorwa masuit, ndangorwa senior ndakadai. Ndangorwa serious ndakadai. Ndazi senior ndisina cap no wearing suits. When I turn 48, 49, 50, my God, shoulder really chiremero nema suit. Then that gentleman. At the moment, I just act young anyway. Who cares? Going to gym, chi. So guys, I've answered your question. Someone came to my inbox and said, Leon, you like it? Don't worry about what I post. I just post. You may be shocked. The future and the skinny. You may be shocked. Yes. Because remember, right? This is a strong point. Guys, right now, ndikati type zvaunoda, mwana gona kutype inini. But inini ndendisingamudi. Kana ndotype iwewe, asioni ngosingandidi. Zvinozoitika manje tongozotorawo are available to you. Sometimes you just end up settling for, especially for you girls. I feel sorry for you girls because you girls are too cultured. You're too scared to approach someone. You know what? My friend, if you're single, I like you. You lose nothing. Because if you're waiting for a guy to come for you, especially guys, you girls, some of you have been single for a long time. You like those white guys. Let me tell you, I've got loads of white guys, friends. Sometimes we're in a club, Leon, we like that girl. Do I end up with my confidence? My friend here likes you. Did you check at one toilet? Which friend? Atiza. Why? You told me you like this girl, then you're running away. Oh, Leon, you can't do that, Leon, man. You can't do that, my friend. Oh, why? So they will wait for you one day, they get drunk with you, then it doesn't get an accident. You never can get an accident. I can better shoulder. No. No, that's what they think. I'm friends with them. And they're very, very scared of you guys. My turn, I said I'm 44. I'm going to be 45 soon, right? My turn, Chikumba. 44, right? So, see, I'm getting white. They're getting white now. White, gray. Right. So, that's what happens. So, if you're a guy, and some guys are shy, but the biggest problem we have as guys is this. We are so judgmental, and same as girls, but we are worse. Chinake cho, chidhafu, chinake. Wakarara nevangani vadhafu. 1 pane chimwe chakarara chokuzvishavani. 1. So you're using your statistics, judging these big girls, ne 1, wakarara naye. Here's some girls. Varume kuNigeria vakapenga. Wakarara nemaNigerians mangani? Ndakanzwa. Vakarara nemaNigeria mangani? 3. Pane mumwe musikana akati ndamborana muNigeria. So sometimes muNigeria wacho vairara naye 1. So does it mean that maNigerian ese akapenga? Kwaivo maNigerian acho vakadzi zvavanotida 1. They're crazy about us. Oh, they are. Trust me. You're busy going to the Nigerian men. Nigerian women like us too. Very, very much. And it's so smart is that we buy pizza toita sengeta kutengera moto. Pizza. Wadla pizza yangu. Wadla nandozi yangu. 4.99. Ndakutengera burger yo. Manigerian acho kutengera imota isitenga burger. Chitora vakadzi vavo ivavo vanenge vachitotida. So what am I trying to say? I'm saying, guys, stop this system. Oh, Nigerian men are big. Nigerian men are born. Congolese men. Yes, they may be better, but they are better than how many people have slept with. But maybe so. 2. Right. If this was an essay you're writing, uchitiyo macheche ese anoba, unopinda cheche ngani, ndakaenda ku ZCC, ndikaenda ku Postori. Macheche ese imbava. 2 churches, you're treating 2 churches like it's the whole world. Vakadzivisa vanaki, vakadzva dhafere. Havagezi futi. But wakasangana navo mvura yakakiwa isingabudi kuchitungwiza. Kuchinzi gezai nezvigubhu because mvura manheru inenge yakatiwa. Wakarara navo twice mazuva iwayo. Wadove ne-mentality yekuti vakadzi vadhafu havagezi. Kuti havanaki. Wakarara nomwe mukadzi mudhafu usina kumbomubata-bata mazamu ari dry. Ukatadza kumunyorovesa, ukamuita, ukati hanaki. You go there with your stupid theory, you say, vakadzi havanaki. Vadhafu havanaki. Wakangojuma naone kamwe kaslim, kakanenzara, kakatota, kakachemedza, because kakari flexible, yako wayanga iri size yacho nawo, because size zinosiyana. Wakutoti maslim yes anonaka. Ramba kauchenda kumaslim, uchasanga nomwe achakuti bambo, go and learn. Try to be unique, guys. Just do something unique. Do something chaunokofunga kuti someone has atambozvita. Usually you win if you do that. Just do something. Do something. Meet a girl. Do something. It's different. Just something different. Because remember, the more the people your ex or your woman meets, the higher the competition. And the more diverse she realizes, varume vakasiyana. Saka iwo ukanodana nemunhu adane vanhu 5. This is what I usually ask myself. Okay, this girl, ane vana 3 with 3 different guys, right? And you like him, you like her. Saka what? Part 3 papa. Ukaenda uri average, you embarrass yourself. It's like a shamari. It's like you need to represent yourself now. Because remember, you'll be part of the statistics. This is my advice to you guys or girls. You're meeting a guy, you don't know how many partners, because we lie. For every time you hear a girl says, "Ndangudane 3, multiply by 10, where the 5. Agati, ndangudane varume 6, multiply by 10, 60, where the 5. I'm sorry. So it's 65. Right? Can I read 10 times 6? Even if it's a guy, if you hear me say, "Oh, how many people have you slept with, Leon?" Say, "Got 5." Do the same. Multiply by 10, weigh the 5. It's very likely to 50. It's a fact. There is no woman who says, "I've lost count." Or the people from Europe will tell you, "I've lost count. I slept with so many." So you know, she has lost count, right? Or she go chobo. Did you come? Did you come? You've done it wrong. She should be telling you she's coming. If you are the one asking, "Are you coming?" Shamar, you shouldn't be asking your girl.